name is Alex, and welcome to this week's Thunderbird Thursday video. This week we're going to be talking about spectacular seeds. Since we planted them last week, I think it's time we take a little bit of a closer look at what seeds actually are. Seeds are really just baby plants. Many plants reproduce using seeds, but there are a few that don't. Seeds are very diverse. Some are as small as dust, like orchid seeds, and some can be as big as a double coconut. Seeds come in many shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. Seeds move in very different ways. They don't always just stay in the same place. Milkweed, for example, uses the wind to move its seeds. Some seeds are eaten by animals, like these cranberries. Other seeds get stuck to animals, like burdock. You might have had this happen to you too. Some seeds, like these acorns, simply fall on the ground. Other seeds explode, like this sweet pea. When it dries out, the seed pod cracks and flings the seeds away from the plant. Some seeds even float, like this water lily. And the last important way that seeds travel are with humans. We like to trade seeds with each other and try growing new types of plants. This is an activity you can do at home to discover the different parts of a seed. So all you need is some dried kidney beans or other dried beans, but kidney beans or bigger beans are a little bit easier to use, and a jar with some water. So I've soaked these for about a day. You probably only need to do it for about 12 hours, and then pulled them out. So this outer coating of the seed is called the seed coat, and it protects the seeds from damage, so from animals or from wind or rain, and things that might cause the seed to go bad or sprout before it's time. So to open it, we're going to turn it like this and use our fingernails to split it open like a book. So you can see there are two distinct parts to the seed here. And the seed coat just sort of peels off. So on the inside, this is the half we really want to look at. So this little part here is the baby leaf of the seed, what will turn into the leaf, and it is called the epicotyl. And then down here you can see the baby root. This is called the radicle, and the part in between is called the hypocotyl. And the rest of the seed, all of this white area, is called the cotyledon, and that is the food for the seed as it grows. Germination is the process where a seed starts growing into a plant. Different seeds need different things to start growing into a plant. Most need water and a specific temperature before they start growing so that the plant is safe when it starts to come up out of the ground. If a plant were to come up out of the ground in the middle of winter, what do you think would happen? Some seeds need to actually be eaten by animals before they can germinate. Others need to be scratched, and still others need to be frozen and thawed. In the next series of pictures, you'll be able to see the germination of peas, green lentils, and black beans. This is a really cool activity that you can do at home if you have any sort of dried beans. Did you know that we actually eat a lot of seeds? They're really healthy for us because they contain a lot of energy and nutrients that the seed would use to grow into a plant. People have been eating seeds for a long time. Can you think of any seeds that you eat? Here are some examples of seeds that you eat. Can you guess what each number is? I'll give you the answers. Number 1 is flour. Number 2 are coffee beans. Number 3, oatmeal. 4, popcorn. 5, kidney beans. 6, beluga lentils. 7, quinoa. 8, red lentils. 9, black beans. 10, rice. 11, soybeans. And 12, chickpeas. Can you think of any other seeds that you eat? Some of these seeds would grow if you planted them now, but some of them have been processed. Like the flour is ground up wheat seeds, so they won't grow. And the oats are squished oat seeds, so they won't grow now either. And the coffee beans have been roasted. How many of these seeds can you find in your house? Check out the link below for a bingo of seeds you can eat that you can try to find in your house.